Professional roof coating costs in Tucson. Nationally, the average homeowner spends about $7,892 to install a new roof, and most spend within a range of $5,351 and $10,667. There are certain cities like Denver that are higher than average at $9,000, and others that are below average like Austin, Texas at $7,000. The cost to repair a roof in Tucson usually falls within this range. The cost breaks down to about 40% for materials and 60% in labor. Do-it-yourself roofing versus hiring a roofer. Replacing a roof as a do-it-yourself project typically costs between $2,500 to $5,000 versus the $5,000 to $10,000 average to hire a professional. However, this is a sizable job that can lead to all kinds of unexpected complications. For example, you may find damaged timber in the framing or deck. You might strip the surface and find that your new products won't be delivered in time. You could install the wrong product for your slope, frame or environment. You may take unnecessary safety risks. It's because of these unforeseen problems that many people, even those who know what they're doing, leave roofing matters to the professionals. Expert contractors will ensure that you get the right product for your home. They'll make sure the project goes according to schedule. The crew takes steps in proper order and without delay. They catch problems early enough to manage, such as damaged timbers. They follow proper safety precautions so no one gets injured. Consider the trade-offs between saving a few dollars and staying safe and knowing you have a quality roof on your home. For more information, contact Sunset Roofing in Tucson today at 520-400-1741.